In this instructional video, I'll demonstrate how you can effectively utilize Canva to modify the color of an imported image or logo. To begin, let's create a new design by selecting Create a Design. I'll opt for an AM4 portrait document. Now that we're inside our document, the next step is to add a logo. I've already downloaded the logo I want to use, so I'll navigate to my Downloads folder and simply drag and drop the logo into Canva. It will upload, and then we can place it onto our document. Once your logo is in Canva, click on it, then select Edit Photo. In this editing mode, you need to find a specific effect. So let's navigate through the available effects until we find Duotone. Now that we're in the Duotone effect, you have the freedom to choose any color. However, you might not want to keep it exactly as it is. To make adjustments, set the highlights to white. This ensures that the highlights of the logo will appear white. Next, navigate to the shadow section and choose a color. You can either input a specific color code or use the color wheel to select the precise color you desire. With these simple steps, you can efficiently change the color of an imported image or logo in Canva.